Hey there tech fans, you'll be looking at the brand new M2 MacBook Air, the latest offering from Apple in their popular laptop line. To start it off, the color this is a midnight model. Depending on the light, it does show up as really dark blue or like a blue black or just a black depending on the light that you're in. And it also promises some performance boosts to its predecessor. So first of all, let's start with what's in the box. We have the M2 MacBook Air itself, and we have a MagSafe 3 charging cable, and it's brighter and it's the same color as the MacBook that you get. You also get a 37 watt power adapter. You can get the 37 dual, or you get the 67 fast charging block if you want to get fast charging in your MacBook. They also give you 2 Apple stickers in the nice midnight color. First off, let's talk about the design. The midnight color is really stunning. It's a deep, rich blue that looks fantastic in any lighting, as I said before. The MacBook Air itself is as thin and light as ever, with a weight of just 2.8 pounds and a thickness of 0.63 inches. This makes it super portable and great for those who are always on the go. But of course, it really matters what's on the inside. The M2 chip is the star of the show here, and definitely lives up to the hype. This is a powerful, energy-efficient chip that's designed specifically for Macs, and it shows in the performance. Apps open quickly and run smoothly. Even with multiple programs open at once in our tests, we didn't experience any lag or slowdowns whatsoever. Another major improvement is the battery life. Apple promises up to 18 hours of web browsing or up to 15 hours of video playback on a single charge. In our test, we found that to be accurate. This is a huge improvement from the previous model, which already had pretty impressive battery life. So if you're someone who's always on the move and needs a laptop that can keep up, this is definitely a great choice. The keyboard and trackpad are also worth mentioning. The keyboard has been updated to include the new Magic Keyboard, which is a significant improvement over the previous butterfly keyboard. It's much more comfortable to type on, and the keys have a nice satisfying click to them. The trackpad is as large and responsive as ever, and is a joy to use. One thing to note is that the base model comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage, which may not be enough for everyone. However, both of these specs can be upgraded if you're willing to spend a bit more. And it's worth noting that for most everyday tasks, 8 GB of RAM is more than sufficient. Overall, we're really impressed with the M2 MacBook Air Midnight. The design is gorgeous, the performance is top-notch, and the battery life is outstanding. If you're in the market for a brand new laptop, this is definitely the one to consider.